The light on this part's not working. I don't know what that is. So I opened up the door. This garage side is on the side yard. You got your furnace. Looks like it's been wet in here a little bit, not sure why. You can see gaping to the outside. You got your water heater. Should have a drip pan, a lot of them don't, it's real common. Looks like they had insulation in here and ripped it out. So the question is, why? What happened? Could it have gotten wet? Maybe. This looks like an old... Oh, there's wind coming in here. Scary. And the electrical panel. Dun, 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 dun.